What is revenue? Revenue is the total amount of money a business brings in from selling its products or services before any costs are taken away. Think of revenue as the money that comes through the front door of a business. For example, if a lemonade stand sells 100 cups of lemonade for £2 each, the revenue is £200. That does not mean the business made £200 in profit. Why? Because the business still has to pay for lemons, sugar, cups, and maybe even the table or sign. So, revenue equals total money earned from sales. Profit equals money left after expenses. A lot of people confuse revenue with profit, but they are not the same thing. A business can have high revenue and still make very little profit if its costs are too high. Here's a simple example. A business sells trainers and makes £10,000 in revenue in 1 month. But if it costs £8,000 to buy stock, pay rent, and cover other bills, the profit is only £2,000. So revenue tells you how much money is coming in. Profit tells you how much money the business actually keeps. Revenue is important because it shows how well a business is selling. If no revenue is coming in, the business cannot survive for long. So remember, revenue is the money earned. Profit is the money kept. If you understand that difference, you already understand one of the most important ideas in business. Like and subscribe for more videos. Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world.